Viewing your payment history on Optus is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to access your payment records easily. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker that update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to Billing section. Once logged in, look for the Billing or Payments section in the main menu. Click on this option to view your billing information. Step 3. Select Payment History. In the Billing section, find the option labeled Payment History or Transaction History. Click on it to see a detailed list of your past payments. Step 4. Filter or search payments. If you need to find specific payments, use any available filters or search options. You can typically filter by date range or payment type to narrow down your results. Step 5. Review and download. Review your payment history as needed. If you want to keep a record, look for an option to download or print the payment history for your records. By following these steps, you can easily access and manage your payment history on Optus. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to Optus customer support for assistance.